enemy of success has a okay. What if I got this life return? Okay, just a moment. Okay, I'll take. Okay, do one thing, guys. You just copy your questions. Once I'm through, then after that you paste at the bottom. Okay, one by one. So now, Mr. HUR, are you there with me? Are you there with me, Mr. HUR? Okay, okay, fine. Okay, so if I pay 30,000 per year for 7 years and getting 4016 per year for 7 years, after 7 years till 19 year, I will get 17,000. What is the rate? Okay, just a moment. Okay, now, so first thing is that, okay, you'll have to make me understand. Okay, so this is the period is in years, right? Period is in years, and here's the cash flow. If I pay, it's always starts with 0. 30,000 per year for 7 years. Okay, 7 for 7 years. For 7 years, you are making 30,000 minus 30,000. Seven years is actually 6 years because you are starting from 0, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually. Sorry, 6. Okay. Then after that, you are getting 4016 per year for 7 years after 7 years. Okay, this is where I am confused. So now from here onwards, you are getting 4016. Am I right? 4016 for 7 years. Am I right? HUR, Mr. HUR. So means for another 7 years, 14 years. No, then what is this? Okay, if it is no. Okay, what is this then? 7 years and getting 4016 per year for 7 years. Okay, means there is a 2. First, from 2nd year till 7th year, I am getting 4016. Okay, so you are getting, okay, fine. Okay, so there are 2 cash flows. One is cash outflow. Outflow. Another is cash inflow. Am I right? Hey, am I right? Mr. HUR, right? Don't write everybody. One by one. Okay, so now, okay, fine. So now from 2nd year onwards, you are getting 4016. So you are giving 30,000 and you are getting 4016 back. Correct, Mr. HUR, correct? Okay, fine. Then 7 years till 19th year. Okay, I will get 17,000. Then after that, you will be getting 17,000 till 19th years, right? Plus 17,000. Yes, HUR, yes. Okay, so till 19th year. 19th year means just a minute. So here also you are getting 17. Correct? Correct? HUR? Correct? Type yes if it is correct. Okay, fine. Okay, now here you are getting 0, 0. Okay, so here you are getting 0. Okay, now what we'll have to do? Now you see this is very interesting, right, guys? You see there are there is a cash outflow as well as cash inflow. Okay, so we'll have to find out net cash flow. So what is the net cash flow? Net cash flow is this minus 30,000 plus 0. Okay, so net cash flow is minus 30,000 and that this is the net cash flow. Okay, this is the net cash flow. So now on net cash flow, what we'll have to find out, Mr. HUR? What we'll have to find out here? We need to return on investment. What we'll have to find out? Tell me. Very simple. Now you know it. IRR, yeah, equal to IRR. Yeah, IRR. IRR from here till here. It's yeah, this is what you are getting. Okay, don't go for it, never ever. Or you see if there is something else. And this is all our per year, right? So this is per year. It's not even month. This is per year. Very bad return. Yes, exactly. Stop it. Just stop it immediately. Because otherwise you will get stuck up. Yeah, thank you. Retake the next station. Okay, Mr. Shitesh Kumar Parat. Okay, that's a very big. Okay, it's a very big thing that you have said. Okay, please send a message to Poonam if she can help you out. So she manages everything. I do not interfere. Okay, so my responsibility is to giving training, and if something big thing happens, like this time our website broke down for some time, right? I know I'm my sincere apology. That's what Poonam told. A lot of you guys had trouble, right? Because our website, like the Google server, something happened, some reconnection issue happened. So when the big things happens, like then I interfere. Otherwise, like entire administration is managed by Poonam. So she will just send a message to her. Like this admin is Poonam only. It's not me. Your group admin, both the numbers Poonam's number. Got it? So she takes care of everything. No, you can send a message to her. 801-701-2222. Note it down. You can send a message to her. Outside, you do not use, not inside the, DM her. Okay, so this is the top. I am an old guy. But I am 50 plus. So DM her. Yeah. Okay. Directly message her. Yeah. So all this DM, PD or something like, one day my daughter was laughing at me. Okay, what is your something? DP. Well, what is DP? Right? Okay, give me some question. More question you give me. Whatever question you have to ask. Yeah. So directly message her. DM means direct message. Right here. Any question you have got, please copy and paste. How to find net cash flows. Net cash flow is very simple. 30,000 you are giving, and here you are getting 4016. Minus 30,000 plus 4016, so minus 25980. I'm just giving this plus this. We are getting net cash flow. Free cash flow. Is a Raghav Keshar, free cash flow is something which is related to companies, right? So I think this is beyond our scope. Like cash flows, free cash flows, and most of the time in companies, cash flows are trapped. Okay, so cash flows, total cash flow is different, free cash flow is different. Okay, so we don't have to understand. It's for analyst and investment banker. Okay, sir, based on your explanation, what best ROI is available in market for 20 years? You see, Sunil Prabhakaran, if you have knowledge, so you must get 12%. Why 12%? You will understand on Sunday. Sunday, I'll give explanation why you must get minimum 12% return in India, right? Different countries returns are different. In India, you must get 12%. Okay, but people do not get it because people do not know when to invest and what kind of assets. That's the main problem. That's why 98% people lose money. That is the across the world statistics. In India, it will be much more because in India, we always venture into risky investment. Outside developed countries, people invest through mutual funds. That's why their percentage of losing is less. But in India, so majority people they invest directly in stock market. That is the reason why the Indian percentage is more. Which investments gives? Okay, SNR is asking which investment gives more than 10% return. Every investment will give you 10% more than 10%. All the stock market investment, mutual funds, equity mutual funds will give you 10% return. But 98% people lose money in equity mutual fund. Why? Which investments gives more than equity? But 98% people make negative return from equity investments. Why? Because they do not know which particular asset class one should invest at what point of time. Which fruit will give me maximum vitamin? Which fruit is good for me? Tell me, which fruit is good for me? I want to have the fruit which is having maximum vitamin. Which one will give me? Gold bonds, no, we do not suggest gold, because gold gold doesn't have real economic utilization. Okay, so it has a snob utilization. Okay, so since it is a snob utilization, so you really cannot calculate out scientifically the demand and supply of gold. Okay, got it? So that's why we do not invest in gold. We use mutual funds. We use deposits. Amongst mutual funds, there are, if you go through level 4, so we'll understand there are different kinds of mutual funds. Debt mutual funds, equity mutual funds. In case of equity mutual funds, there are so many types, right? Large cap, mid cap, small cap. Index funds, broad index fund. In case of debt fund, there are long duration, there are mid duration, there are short duration, there are low duration, ultra low duration. There are money market fund. Okay, there are different kind of mutual funds. All mutual funds are good. All mutual funds are good. Okay, provided you know at what point of time what kind of mutual fund you must buy. Right? All fruits are good, because you couldn't answer me, because you know all fruits are good, but all fruits are not good at all the time. Mango is very good. Like now we have Alfonso time in Mumbai. Alfonso is very good. But you cannot get Alfonso, you should not eat Alfonso in the month of, say, September or November. Right? This is the time for Alfonso. Understood? Similarly, orange is good, but all the time you cannot have orange. So you must know when to eat mango, when to eat orange. Orange seller will not tell you that. Okay, this is what is happening. Nobody will tell you, hey, do not buy orange now, please buy mango. Now this is the mango season. Please go. Do not buy from me. Okay. Nobody will tell you that. So it's your responsibility. You must understand. If you can understand that, then you can easily earn 12% return. If you do not understand that, then there is a 98% chance that you will lose money. Because that is the percentage, that is the statistics. Okay. Yeah, I'm becoming harsh because I am a trainer. I'll have to. Right? I must warn you what you should do, what you should not do. I guess instead banks are investing on you. Yes, exactly, Sunil Prabhakar. Awesome. What you are saying, awesome. That's how the bankers are getting salary. Big salary they are getting. That is how. Okay, but still, we take bank loan. It's not that we do not take bank loan. We do take bank loan for housing purposes. Okay, but there is a reason there. The reason is very simple. If you have 30 lakhs rupees, right? So there's the same level. My next level course, in the next level, we'll talk about on Sunday. So one student, so she had that problem. She was having around 40-50 lakhs rupees. And she was asking, should I repay the home loan or should I invest? Right? Now the answer was very simple. How much return you are, how much interest rate you are giving to the bank? 6%, 7%. Right? But she is now educated, right? So I asked her, so how much return you can really generate? What is your confidence level? With confidence. She said 12% easily. Okay. If you have that much of confidence that you can earn 12% easily, then you should not repay your home loan. You will repay your home loan when there will be a situation that you will come to know. From here onwards, making 12% will be difficult. At that point of time, we will take out all the money from investments and we will repay the home loans. Got it? So that's how we'll have to take decision. But for that, we'll have to have knowledge. Okay, advanced level of knowledge. Okay, just a moment. A lot of questions are coming. Clients in spite of buying second house investments. Okay, I'm happy with IT returns for last 2 years, but this year IT is very bad. Yeah, that's true. So how could we explain to clients in spite of buying second house investments in property, but to invest in SIP with help of calculations? You'll have to motivate them. Okay, you'll have to make them understand. You'll have to, like, you must have that much, like, you'll have to explain, you'll have to do the calculations, right? Okay, now Mr. Murugesh, paying rupees 2000 in SIP for 300 months and in the end getting 1,44,000 6 digits. Is that true or a cheating, sir? Can you calculate and tell me rate? Okay, I think that's a very simple. Logeshwaran. Okay, I'm taking this question. It's a very simple question, right? It's a very simple question. It's a very easy question, in fact. Mr. Murugesh, okay? I am writing Murugesh, okay? Mr. Murugesh. Okay, this is, you don't need to do this, okay? Simply, so what do you need to find out now? Tell me, Mr. Murugesh, what do you need to find out? Sharmada, yeah, I'll answer your question, okay? I'll answer all your questions, okay? Just a moment, one by one. Yeah, Jogesh, I'll answer your question. What do we need to find out? We'll find out, Mr. Murugesh. We'll have to find out rate, okay? Please respond to everybody. Do not send me direct messages. People will not understand. Okay. So now we have paying rupees 2000 in SIP. So we need to find out the rate, right? We need to find out the rate. So first we'll have to have NPER. What is the NPER? What is the NPER? What is the NPER here in this case? 25 years means 300 months, right? 300, yeah, 300. Okay, and it is in months. NPER, okay, months. Then we have the PMT. What is the PMT? What is the PMT? PMT is 2000, right? So minus 2000. PV, any PV? Is there any PV? Is there any PV? Zero PV, yeah, zero PV. Future value, you know, it's a very easy question. 1 lakh, 1 crore 44 lakhs, 64,369. That's it. It's very easy. Like, you need to find a return on investment. Everything is there in front of you. What will you have to do? Which formula? Which method? Which method? You can use IRR also. You will get the same answer. Okay. But we can use rate method. Okay, why to write down all these things? Not necessary, because we can use rate. You can use IRR also if you want, but rate is very fine. Rate NPER is 300, PMT is minus 200, PV is 0. Future will is this much, and then 1. Okay. Wow. You are getting negative return, man. Okay, just a moment, huh? No, I think there. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so you see sometimes, okay, there is one additional thing. Okay, if you are getting a return, if you have a doubt that you are not getting the proper return, then you do one thing. You just give comma and 1%. 1% is actually, you see, it's wrong. Yeah, 1% is you are helping the calculator, helping the computer, because you see ultimately this is a very big calculation inside. Okay, because when I did MBA, like we used to do everything with calculator, so we know how difficult this question calculations are actually, right? So you just give 1%, then you are going to get the correct answer. Okay, 1% is you are helping the calculator, the computer. Okay, so 1.59% per. Yeah, Murugesh, 1.959% is per month. Okay, yeah, always remember. Okay, yeah, Bhaskaran, thank you. Okay, you're super speed, Superman. 19%, not bad. So invest for next 50 years. Will it be a good investment with this CAGR? Yeah, Mr. Jogesh, you see, you'll have to give me from here. I do not know how much you are going to get, because 50,000 you are investing. for next 50 years, how much you are going to get. Then only we can calculate out the CAGR. Okay. Either you will have to give me rate, what is the return that you are expecting, right? Or you'll have to give me the future value. Then I can calculate out the rate. Okay, 12% if you are getting, then it should be okay if there is no other ifs and buts. Okay, yeah, Murugan, Mr. Murugesh. So what is this investment? People are asking. 4% inflation, yeah, 4%, not 4% inflation, inflation is 5%. Inflation is 5%. You see, like, everything, like, you're asking me about return. Return depends on your knowledge, right? You must, people talk about Warren Buffett, but hardly people follow that. Okay, so everybody is very good at talking about Warren Buffett, but hardly any people follow him. So he always says, like, I have more knowledge. Your return is proportional to your knowledge. Always remember this. More knowledge, more calculations, in-depth knowledge you will have, better return you will be able to get. As simple as that. Okay. Murugesh, you have given it. UTI index fund. Okay. Index fund, it's a past, right? Again, like, please remember one thing. Do not try to drive your car looking at the rear view mirror. This is the most dangerous thing to happen. Never ever. Okay, on Sunday we'll talk more about this. Okay, what happened in 1999, 2000, what happened in 2007, 2008, I'll tell you that. Okay, so do not try to drive a car looking at the rear view mirror, right? So there are 3 phases of investment. First phase is sowing. Everybody knows how to do that. Second phase is nurturing. Few people know how to do that. Third is harvesting. Harvesting means withdrawing the benefits, right? Very, very few people can know that, understand that. Okay. What happens? People keep on waiting. It is already ripe, right? Since people do not know how to judge it, so they think, it will be more ripe, it will be more ripe, it will be more sweet, it will be sweeter. And when they come, it becomes rotten. It comes down. Okay, that's what happens. So when you have knowledge, so harvesting is an art. You must know when to harvest. Right? So for that, please go through level 4, everybody. In the level 4, I have discussed about that. Different kind of level, different kind of riskiness of markets, right? And I can understand you need to have more knowledge, but I have shown you the path. Today I have shown you the path how not to lose money. In level 4, I have shown you the path, what direction you must think, what is the knowledge you must have to earn superior returns. Please go through that. Okay. Yeah, I'll give you the recording of this class. Be fearful when everyone is greedy, be greedy when everyone is fearful. Okay, exactly this is, but main problem is people do not know what level is high, what level is low, how low is low enough, how high is high enough. For that, you need to have the knowledge of valuations. I have discussed that in level 4. Please go through that. Okay. How about FNO? FNO, yeah, I was an FNO analyst actually. I was heading the FNO department of IDBI. We do not discuss FNO at all. We only discuss mutual funds. We are expert in mutual funds, right? So we know exactly what kind of mutual fund one should invest at what point of time. Future and options. How come 19%? This is how 19%? Into 12, because this is per month, right? Our NPR is per month. Cash flows are per month. Okay, so that's why 1.59% into 12. 19.11%. Understood? Can you show the formula in this sheet once more, please? This is the formula, IRR. This is the IRR. This is the main formula, rate. Rate formula is a simple rate formula. Okay, one thing only that 1%. Okay, just a moment. Okay, let me show you. Okay, just like this 1% I am giving. Sometimes you need to do that. Okay, this 1% after giving one, you need to give 1%. Okay. Sometimes what happens if you do not give it, we are getting negative. So which is not correct, right? So that because it's a very complex calculations inside the computer, it's like it's a very complex calculation. Okay, that's why you need to help the calculator, help the computer. So if you give 1%, then he knows like it will be positive probably, and it will be around 1%. Then he will try to calculate it out around 1%. Otherwise, he goes here and there. He means that computer. Okay. 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 You will get a recording of this class. Can you brief on CFP, Certificate in Financial Planning? Is it body in doing it? Surplus, someone, you see, if you want to be a CFP, so of course, you can do it. So you will have, okay. So CFP is a organized body, and like I did teach some of the students there. Yeah, you need to have much practical knowledge. Okay, so that's very important. Let me tell you this much. So ultimately, you say how you explain to your clients. It depends on that. How brilliantly you explain, right? Nowadays, like the certification, like I'm not saying that CFP is a bad or good. So main thing is that be sure you need to have more knowledge. Well, I have seen there are a lot of investment advisors. They have got a lot of certificates, but there are few advisors, they do not have any certificates, but they can explain the things. They have the real knowledge, right? So this is important. Real knowledge is very important. Always remember that. And nowadays, yeah, this is the trend. Trend is like people will ask you, and if you can explain them well, you'll get the business. Cryptocurrencies, digital currencies, I have no idea. I never invest. I have no idea. I do not invest in anything that I do not understand. Okay. Inflation, yeah, inflation will, if you have knowledge, like inflation will give you a chance. Definitely inflation will give you a chance because yeah, you'll have to beat it. That is the challenge. Main thing is that people cannot beat it. Got it? Inflation people cannot beat. So that's the challenge. Yeah, I'll share this shit. Don't worry. Okay, I'll share this. Okay, any other question you have? Next class will be, you see, like there are two things. Only 65 people are here. Like, still, I'm sharing it, and I should have shared this knowledge, shared this information. Like you see, like Sunday at 11, our master class will start. On that day, I'll also share about my next level course, and I know a lot of you guys will join my next level course. Okay, but still, some people you may not join my next level course. So, but still, if you think you need to remain associated with me, you may be needing my guidance, my help in future, then I will share the link of my Facebook group. Okay, so please join that Facebook group. This is free of cost, lifelong free. Any point of time you ask me question in that group, I will answer, or somebody from my team, or mainly senior people. Like a senior people means those we have already like 2,000 odd people who are in the next level. Okay, most of the time, so they are quite senile now. They're quite knowledgeable, quite experienced. So most of the time they help people. And if that answer is not enough, or if they do not answer, then I will answer myself. Okay. Do not send WhatsApp messages. Every single day, we receive a lot of WhatsApp messages mentioning problems, right? So, okay, I am investing this. So please respond, please. You see, this is not practical. And that's why we have opened the Facebook group. So you join Facebook group, so we will be together. Got it? Sunday class will start at 11. Very thank you, Sunil sir. Thank you so much. Okay, your this kind of words really help me keep going. Okay, so now sometimes I feel tired, right? So when I see such kind of appreciation, then I really feel no. Still, this knowledge have requirement. Okay. At least this knowledge, this basic level knowledge, I try to give at the minimum cost. But at the same time, I also want that quality people comes in. Those who are really interested in learning, so only such kind of people come in. Earlier, I used to give it free, but that was big headache for me. Okay, lot of trolling, lot of bad languages, right? So then we imposed 99 rupees. Okay, so making sure that only those who are interested in learning, they can come in. Okay, and I am really thankful to you guys for being here, making this program successful. So far, we have trained around 20,000 people in last more than 1 year since that COVID broke out till then. Okay, and around 2,500 in the next level. So yeah, with all your blessings and good wishes. You will, yeah, I will share this recording, don't worry. Yeah. And thank you so much, Mr. Bhaskaran. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Mr. Asmita Roy. Okay, I cannot thanks you more, like kind of words that you are giving. Okay, I'm really thankful. Okay, so this kind of words really give me a lot of energy. Yeah, definitely. Please do that. Please spread the words. In fact, let me tell you, we started this course free for the college students, right? This is how we actually started, and believe me, we didn't get any appointment. We we are all known people, right? So investment world, okay, I'm not saying everywhere, but investment people, okay, they knew us, okay, knew me, and I have other friends also. All are high level, one is CEO of one of the very reputed finance company, right? So we started this, and we didn't get even a single slot to deliver this entire knowledge, right? Then we started taking money, and now people have started coming. Of course, now I've started giving advertisement also. Okay, this is how it is. So I really sincerely, we want everybody should have this knowledge, and this is very, very necessary, particularly for those who do not have pension, those millennials or the post reform employees. Okay, and people who joined the workforce after the liberalization, post liberalization. Thank you so much, guys. Finance Society, you will close their fake shop one day. Sunil, I have come from that industry, right? I was actually that side. I was there designing products and helping people designing products, right? So I know very well what happens that side. I know very well. Yeah. And at that point of time, it was not possible for me being vocal and tell everything what happens inside, right? Today I can tell that. Today I can tell it openly, and I can sleep properly. All right. Yeah, Mr. Bhaskaran. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I think this somebody sent you to me before making that investment. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sunil also. Yeah. Okay. There are a few more guys from the industry. Thank you so much, guys. Do not miss Sunday. We are going to meet again at 11 a.m. If you guys have no question, then we can conclude here and see you on Sunday. Don't miss it. Good night, guys. Don't miss it. Please finish the course, everybody. Okay. You have already promised me. Finish it off. And at the end of the fourth level, once you submit the quiz of the fourth level, normally if you submit the quiz of 1 to 3 level, so you will get the password for the next level, right? So in the fourth level, instead of password, you will get the link of the booklet. Okay, the booklet, entire CPC booklet, you will get it. So you can download it. Yeah, Sumit, thank you so much. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for your nice words. Thank you so much. So please download this booklet. This booklet, you may not have, you will not have access to these videos after 5 days, but these booklets will remain with you. Okay. And once you look at the booklets, you will remember everything. Yeah, Vivek Chaudhary, yeah, I'm giving value, but I will also upsell on Sunday. Okay. If you are interested, you can join, but we never force, we never follow up, right? Only those who are selected, they are also only welcome. Okay. We'll talk about that on Sunday. Sunday we'll do talk about our next level course. That day, only those who qualifies. Okay, we are very particular. who should come in, who should not. Okay. But yeah, we tend to, that's why Facebook group is there such that we can help everybody. Those who have come inside, everybody deserves help and we will definitely help them. Okay, so for that, the Facebook group is there free of cost. You don't have to. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your good words. Thanks, Atan. Yeah, definitely. Sunday we'll see. What? Sunday is going to be a different level altogether. What? Sunday we are going to show you how you can make a lot of money. Today I have shown you how to protect money. Right? Whatever you have. Sunday, how to make money. Got it? Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you. Good night, everybody. Good night. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye. Good night. Good night. Bye-bye. Good night.